This is the mindset for most of the people, man. I should improve in these areas myself. Boss, I'm weak in this area. That's why I should improve in these areas myself. If I ignore them, nothing will happen. So he is trying to hide his weaknesses. He is trying to ignore his weaknesses, or he is trying to fight with his weaknesses. His approaches is not at all correct. Don't fight with your weaknesses. Build a team. Identify right who's. Those people are responsible to do the things where you are weak. Remember, do you know, I worked in so-and-so company. I'm the strong in technology. Assume I'm the strong in technology. Then I came out. I started my own company. But I'm very poor in marketing. I'm very poor in work creation. Then automatically my overall success by default is going to be down. Even though I'm strong in technical, my overall success is going to be down because I'm trying to fight with those weaknesses, or I'm ignoring those things. What are you required to do? Don't ignore. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't ignore. Identify right who's. Those people are responsible for that activity where you are weak. I hope is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the most valuable man. So most of the people are going to feel, array, if I ignore, no problem, nothing will happen. It won't hurt anything. Ignore. We are not required to concentrate in that area. Ignore. Okay, like, or otherwise, because to do this activity, that knowledge also must be required. Let me explore that. Let me explore that. How many things you are going to learn in your life? Maybe one thing or two things like in your life, all the things you are going to learn, then your lifetime is not enough. I told right. Known is a drop, unknown is ocean. If you are keep on learning each and every skill, your life is not enough. Even 100 times you are going to reborn, but still the things are there to learn. That's why don't fight with your weaknesses. Better to bring the right host. They are responsible to cover your weaknesses. They are responsible, okay, to overcome your weaknesses. You are not responsible to fight with those weaknesses.